All right, good morning. As you can see what time it is, 6:52 a.m. Coffee brewing. Getting in, right? My phone got a crack across the screen, so I didn't want to fool with that. Or I fooled with it, but I gotta order another. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So they keep cracking, like the screen or the camera protector. It gets a crack and it goes like right across the lens, and then there's like a distortion. So being that I should probably use the camera that I spent all that money on to record anyway, and here we are. So Blazer spindles installed. Brake fluid. Brake fluid is still leaking up out here like crazy. Since it did leak all the way out, I'm gonna go ahead and do see if I can't clean some of it out with brake fluid or with brake cleaner. Let's try to clean out the inside of it. Like I said, since it all drained out anyway, so that way it makes it easier to see on the inside. Not that I've had an issue seeing, it's just that since it's one of those, well, since we here, might as well, let's see if we can get some of this off of here or whatever. So it looked a little better. So I went to the parts store yesterday. Got new crush washers, but I don't know. Put the new ones on there. It still continued to leak. So I don't know if that hose is just not sitting the correct way, or so we're gonna play with it some today. In order to do that though, we're gonna have to have some more brake fluid because I used all of it last couple days. Oh, there goes some right here. Big old thing of brake fluid. Forgot I had it. So I'll just top off this bottle with this, so I ain't gotta go buy none of that. Hallelujah. Let's see what else. So yeah, after we get that finished from leaking or whatever, and change the, what do you call it? I gotta change the what you call the little brightness or whatever thing, because there you go. Or you can kind of better see, let more light in, whatever. So yeah, after we get that finished from leaking, we can put the wheels back on. Well, finish from leaking, bleed it, put the wheels back on, Blazer spindle upgrade complete. After that, we're gonna knock out the drum brake for the C10. Oh, that's kind of brake. Yeah, we're gonna knock out the brake. Knock out the drum brake for the C10. And then, what else did I say that I might get done? I want to say that was it. Like all the major stuff, pretty much done. We still got the stuff for the oil change for the bike. So we'll go from there. This box came in, truck exhaust kits. So we're gonna open it up, see what's in there. The only thing that I may not have been able to do was like firing up the welder and getting the exhaust done on the getting the exhaust done on the photo, so I can at least start reading the level, so I can try to get that tuned in as best as possible. Also, I think that's it. So that's what's on the menu for the day. I'll keep y'all updated. There's a fucking fly in here. This keep fucking with me, bro. Like that shit's aggravating. Where'd it go? Yeah, so brake fluid, stop this from leaking, and then from there, wheels on, etc., etc. So let me go finish having my coffee for this morning, and then I'll cut y'all back on. This fucking fly. This fucking fly finna make me act a fool. Alright, so got the hardly pulled out. Also got a package. Actually, the package been here, but yeah, I mean, either way. So what we're gonna do today is we order this hill shifter, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna put that bad boy on now and try it out. When I was first looking at bikes or whatever, I seen a couple that had the hill shifter on there, but I ain't really. I was going more for like all the big stuff that the bike had that I wanted. So of course, color, bars, a lot of stuff was already done on this bike. So that was my main thing. So something little like a flow shifter or a hill shifter, etc., etc. Like that stuff that I could always go back and add later. No big deal. So let me see exactly what we're gonna need. I know that this is just a cap. Trying to get to where y'all can see it through. So I know that's just held on with a little Allen screw or whatever there. So I'm gonna see, unscrew that, take that off, and then we'll go from there. It's a little tight squeeze, but we'll make it work. All right, so this was this was very, very, very straight to the point. So you slide it on there to make sure it slid all the way on there. I just hit it with the rubber mallet. Got it all the way on there. Came out flush. So now I'm looking at it. Man, I don't know. It looks weird. Almost like it's, I don't know if that's too long, too short, or just right. So y'all let me know. But I got some stuff I'm gonna be doing today, ripping and running. So I'm gonna try it out, see if I like it, and if I do, then I'll keep it. If I don't, I'm gonna send it back. Plain and simple. Straight like that. So we'll see. I'll give y'all an update video eventually. Probably will later today. Cause today I don't plan on taking the truck nowhere. Everything gonna be on the bike. Nice day, weather's nice. Last day, for real. Like I can really get it in. So we gonna make it do what it do. So yeah, look out for that part. And then we'll go from there. Alright, so just got back from the parts store. Rode the heel toe shifter. And I like it. So I'm gonna keep it. It don't match my front one, but it worked. And I'm cool with that. So it is what it is. Moving on over here. As you can see, it's a freaking mess. Got the old brake hose off. I don't know, maybe this one was just worn at the connection or something. I don't know. But pull the old one off. Old hose off. New hose on. Cramped it down. Now I got pressure all the way through and we good. So finna put the hose back on, or put the wheels back on, and then it's done deal, man. I just hate that I wasted so much damn brake fluid. But I was looking on the forums trying to figure out, like, what the hell, like, why is it not freaking, why is it not doing what I wanted to do? And I mean, it just simply comes down to, I mean, that hose just worn, been used for probably however many, 86. So if I'm 37 years old, this hose might be 38 years old. But as you can see, it was time for a new one anyway. Surprisingly, I didn't have that issue on the other side. I did go ahead and get the second one, cause I thought that I got the wrong brake hoses. So I got the brake hoses for the Cutlass, and I thought that maybe I needed them for the Blazer, but that wasn't the case. I compared the size of the washers, the brass washers, crush washers. That was pretty much the same. So yeah, I think that hose just was, it was time. So I got the one for the other side in case it start doing something stupid, and we can get that together. What else is in here? Oh, There's a little 10mm I was bleeding the brakes with. I'll pump it up, let the air go through. Ta-da! So pretty much should be all it takes. So let me get the wheels back on so we can get back to some type of normalcy, if that's even a word, and go from there.